Well, well, it's actually evening, like. I'm going to be trying something different today. I'm on a night shift, which, and that's some of you in RD. I have got, what's that? That's all right, I'm trying to get my card out. So, I'm going to try doing a little bit of vlogging like this, because obviously I'm out in the wagon at the minute. Well, I'll just pick the wagon up. I'm in a Volvo today. I'm not in the wagon I usually get. The light's crap in here, like. If I take that off, you can kind of see it. Yeah, I'm not in the wagon I usually get. I've not got that today, which is slightly annoying, but it is what it is. I've got Volvo FM13. It's a 8-legger tipper. I would do a kind of walk around with it, but it's really wet and cold outside. I am over at Middleburn, and as you can see, it is pitch black outside. So, yeah. But I like to come get the wagon early. I'm booked at the quarry, because I do tar. I'm booked at the quarry, take that off. Might be able to see it's better. I'm at the quarry for 9:15 tonight, and then I'm off to Blythe, up in the northeast, which isn't a far run away. And yes, I am just about to get kitted up. Well, I'm already kitted up. I've got my high vis on. Got my driver's card, which I'll click in now. There we go. It's working. It's currently 8:10, and so I've got about a 15-minute run to the quarry from here, prep the wagon, and do my daily checks, and then we'll hit the road, and I might do a little time lapse of going down the road, see what that comes out like. I don't know how well the tripod will hold up because it's crap, but yeah, we'll try it and see how it goes. This will be a tester, and I can figure out next time what I need to work on better to see where I go wrong here, see what footage I can get and what can be better and what can be worse. So yeah, hope you enjoy this little video. Let's see how this works. Let's get myself away along the road. Unfortunately, the batteries in the remote for the camera, the body camera, are dead, so I might have to do this one without having the body camera on, but we'll just have to wait and see. That's not going to work, so I'll just have to do that there for the minute, because that's not going to work. So, and it's definitely not going to work along Ward Lane because the conditions are crap. So I'll come back to you later. Well, I'm on. That does my head in, that thing. I'm on site now. Just waiting in the line to get tipped. Wait and see what's going on. I was going to put a time lapse on of getting here. It was from onto 69, onto the A1, across the 19. I'm up here at the minute. But of course, when that's doing my box, there's nothing there, man. Jack it in. Oh, listen to us. Bloody thing, man, shut up. I wish I could turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off if I can't turn it off. So yeah, I am just waiting now. I've been here 20 minutes. I had it on bed 20 minutes. We've just started to move. Just waiting for a call, and we're going down the road. Hopefully I can, pardon me, I'll set a time lapse up on the way back doing so.
Fairly well tipped, and then I'm just waiting to get through the wheel really, because there's cars here in the middle of the road.
So I'm on the way back now. I'm on A69. Might have a slight problem that they're short on the tonnage, so I might have to do 2 runs. So I've got to head back to Keeper, which is very unusual for Hanson's work, like, but it is what it is. It's not a million miles away, so it's not horrendous, but I'd much rather be finishing the way home at a decent time. But here's what it is, pays the bills, and same for the wedding and all this stuff. You do what you got to do. Well, I'm under the tar plant again, as you can see. I'm getting 8 ton on. Not ideal, but whatever. But there you go. It's a bit interesting to watch. Getting 8 ton on, so I think I've got another 2 drops to come. So it usually comes to, and I'm sorry about that, it's doing my box in, and I cannot turn it off. It is genuinely doing my head in. Yeah, so, oh well, back over to Blythe I go. I can have a snooze on the way back if I need to. Got the bed, so here's what it is. There we are, I'm on the weighbridge. I am 20 ton 200. Just waiting to set off. I've turned it off because that thing's doing my head in. Yeah, so it's going to be a fun night. Well, I am eastbound and down. 8 wheels are rolling. And yeah. Got a long, well, it's kind of a short way to go and a short time to get there. I've had a snooze. I had a quick snooze while I was waiting to find out what I was needed, so I feel a bit more refreshed, which is good. Eastbound down, we gonna do what they say can be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old Philly run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, don't ever mind the brakes. It'll all hang out because we got a run to make. I'll set this on a little bit of a time lapse. There's not much to see because I'm the only daft bugger on the road. I can't even make lots of light because this Volvo doesn't have spots on or light bars or anything. So yeah. Well, it's 4:20 and I am on the way home from Middleburn, unfortunately. So I will be getting home somewhere around 5 o'clock. The good thing is, running home at this time is it's quiet. But yeah, tonight has not been a good shift. That's just been awful. And I'm having to go back, get another 8 ton on. Got me 8 ton on. Got straight back up to Blythe. Straight on the paver. Only got 2 ton off, so I had 6 ton left on, and then went and dieseled up at Seat and Burn, and the fuel card wouldn't work. And yes, so that was fun. A fun phone call to the boss at 3 o'clock in the morning. It is what it is, and now it's home time. And I wouldn't be surprised if I see a couple of lads coming in for the wagons, because it's about this sort of time to come and get them. We'll catch you in a bit, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll get to do more of these videos and I'll learn how to do them a bit better. But yeah, they're off for now.